Hello, how are you? It's Debbie with Kip's Corner, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a journal to show you that I've just recently finished. This is a 21st birthday gift, actually for my second cousin. So I will dive right in here. Cover is a faux suede fabric. The base is a recycled hardbound book. Got some lace and some trim. You can see that with some pearls on it. On a dangle here, there's an owl and just a little bead drop that I made with a paw print bead and some blue beads to match. The theme, this book doesn't really have a theme, but it is a lot of blues, so we're going to call her Blue. The closure here is a sari silk closure. And on the inside, this pocket is made from an old handkerchief from my grandmother, and since this is going to my second cousin, this would be from her great-grandmother. Tag here on the inside is just a little mixed media tag with some raised spot and some buttons and metal pieces. This is a chipboard piece, and then the back is just clean clear for journaling. On the inside pages, as I said, most of them are blue or close to blue themed. Got a little A dangle here for the recipient's first name. Just a tag and a pocket that she can put extra things in. And since it's March is her birthday month, we have a little Edith Holden page here. And then throughout the book is just some miscellaneous. She's also a dog lover, so I have a few dog pieces in here and just a little journaling card. This is a pocket that has a lace trim. You can actually stick things up under there as well as inside the pocket. Another just journaling card. All the pages in here are tea-dyed pages. This is a handmade paper. The lace on the edge here. Oops. And here's the other side of that pocket. Little puppy dog guy there. And this is a just a Tim Holtz pin, and it says Findings. There's another journal card. And some more. Oh, let me fix that. There we go. Some more tea-dyed paper. Here's a little pocket made from, this is a watercolor paper, so it's nice and stiff. Made just from some sprays, just playing around with some sprays and then cutting it out. Another little tag with some journaling on the back. And a tag that says Dream. On all of the tags inside, I've used the same sari silk on the tops as I did for the closure. There's the back side of that Edith Holden page. And next signature. Here we've got a little butterfly charm. The little pocket added here. This is a pocket made from an old book page using some fabric pieces and sari and just some collaging. There's some thread back there and a little bit of sewing. And then here we have another one of those dog cards that can be journaled on the back, and just a little tag. This is tracing paper. It's been tea dyed, so it's got some nice color to it. And here is just another little journaling card from, this is from one of the Tim Holtz paper packs. And then on this page, on this side, I've just added a book page and collaged a little space, so there's more journaling space there as well. More tea-dyed papers. This is a spread from, and I can't remember the name of it, but it's from Nick the Booksmith, and I will link that to her Etsy shop there for that digital kit. It's a gorgeous kit. This is just a little envelope. Added on here with a little clip. And here's the back side of that short sheet with just a lot of ink and coloring and more tea-dyed paper added for a journaling spot. This is also a digital kit. It's a page from a digital kit that I will link in the description below as well. There's just a little pocket, and I took the 21, since it's for a 21st birthday, and just made a little collage tag all about 21. And have it here in this pocket. Oh, and the back of this tag too can be journaled on. Here we have a fold out pocket little folder. This is a faux tea card. I believe this is from Tracy Fox's collection, and I again will link to that shop there so that you can pick that up. It's an adorable little butterfly faux tea set digital kit, and then just some miscellaneous pieces here. Next signature, just a little dangle here, a little bulb pin with some beads on the edge. Ledger paper, another Edith Holden page here, when I've just added some lace to the edge. And then again on this side I've added a little swatch of tea-dyed paper so that you have more journaling space. And here I've taken 2 playing cards and just did some collaging and added this flower and then created a little tuck spot. And so this is another one of those dog cards. And a dictionary page. And then this is a folder that I've created out of cardstock. It's, pardon me, didn't mean to bump the camera there. It's edged with some, just some tea-dyed linen. And then the inside is pockets. So we have a large pocket here where you can put ephemera in, or just whatever, collecting pieces. And then this lip also creates a little tuck spot. Over here is another large pocket. And then the back side of that. There's another pocket created with the just sprays and inks with some tags. This is a tag from one of the paper kits I have, and then this is a tag that I collaged that has, I added a button and some lace and some cheesecloth and then die cut roses, blue roses on the front side of that. Ledger paper, and we're to the end. In the back I have a library pocket, and this is also from another digital kit that I will link below. Just add it into that pocket. The inside I've lined with the same faux suede fabric, and then just added the inside cover pages. And there she is. That's Blue. And Blue is going to her new owner this week. So happy birthday, Andrea. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.